Assembly and installation of Egida doors with fixed door frame. The feeling of safety and confidence that nobody unauthorized will cross the threshold of our home. This is the task for Egida doors, with improved burglary resistance, reinforced hinges, and excellent acoustic insulation. In order to assemble Egida doors, the user needs fitting foam, 2 door frame struts, a drill driver, wedges, pads, silicone, a hammer, a cutting blade, a flat screwdriver, a crosshead screwdriver, a short level, a long level. Before assembly and installation of the doors, the user needs to prepare an appropriate substrate to prevent damage. The work begins with unpacking the door frame. Note, the package should not be opened with a blade in order to avoid damaging the product. After opening the package, the user needs to read the assembly and installation manual. Remove the door frame from the package. The installation kit consists of a package with elements needed for assembly and installation. Cut the excess of the seal. In vertical elements, the bottom part of the seal should be cut straight, and the top part should be cut under an angle. In the horizontal element, both sides of the seal should be cut at an angle. The assembly of the door frame begins with bolting its elements together. The edges of the door frame can be previously covered with adhesive, which is provided in the kit. The user should pay attention to precise fitting all of the elements together. Fit hinges. The set of hinges is found in the package. Cover the bottom edges of the door frame with silicone. The door frame is ready to be mounted in the wall. Place the door frame into the doorway. Adjust the strut to the width of the opening. Then fix it in the bottom part of the door frame. Block the construction with usage of wedges. Note, we recommend to additionally use assembly anchors and dowels. Use pads in the bottom part. Use the level to adjust the door frame to an optimal alignment. Start the measurements from the top part. Then, adjust the vertical elements of the door frame from the side of the hinges. Use the same method to adjust the door frame on the other side. After making any necessary corrections, fix the strut in the middle of the door frame and block the whole construction with wedges. Unpack the door leaf. Be careful when using a blade to avoid damaging the leaf. Hang the leaf to verify the quality of door frame installation. If everything is done correctly, the user should proceed to the foaming of the door frame. First, apply foam in certain points. After approximately 15 minutes, foam the remaining part of the door frame. After the foam dries up, trim off the excess of foam and remove the wedges. The user may mask the space between the door frame and the wall with a masking strip. Measure the vertical elements of the strip and cut them down to appropriate size. Fix one of the vertical elements of the strip with usage of adhesive. Measure the width of the crossbar and cut it at an angle. Fix the remaining elements of the strip. Remove struts. Proceed to the installation of the threshold. Cut off the excess of the seal. Apply adhesive. Press the threshold to the substrate. After fixing the handle, Egida doors are ready to be used.